Hey guys, let's see today how do I know when to replace my iPhone battery. Yes, is 70% battery health good for iPhone? Yeah, is 85% battery health good, yeah, bad in iPhone? So I will answer you all the questions guys. So for that, let's see guys. Yeah, just go to settings and now just try to find battery. So here you can see the battery, just tap on it and now you can yeah, health and charging, you can just tap on it and now in my case you can see here guys, it's showing maximum capacity is 98%. So if it is showing 98%, that means it's like a super. But according to Apple, if your iPhone holds less than 80% of its maximum capacity, then it's time to upgrade the battery. That means you can consider go for replacement. Also you can less than 70%, if it is there, yeah, less than 60%, then must you go and change your battery. But if it is greater than 80%, then no need to change the battery. That means your battery health is good, so no need to change the battery guys. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.